Hello, welcome to Cjsoft Python Academy. Today we are going to learn about data cleaning using Python. I got a lot of questions on my comment section. People are asking me, or me, my students, sir, what is data cleaning? We want to know data cleaning. Now listen to me, let me tell you what is data cleaning. Data cleaning is the act of observing the data to check out if the data contains something like empty rows, duplicated values, you understand, and handling wrong data format, wrong data as well, and handling those data error involves some Python pandas code. Are you getting me? It involves some mostly, imagine when you are handling like more than 10 million columns and rows and columns data. You see, you can't handle such thing with Excel will crash, so it will crash. So now I think having done that, let us go. I have a small data set I created for students record, you understand, that we are going to start with. From this little one, you can also handle the bigger one. I think, are you ready? Let's roll. Alright, let me get to my pandas here. So my Excel, look at my Excel file. I save this thing, please. Observe what I am doing here. I save this with I want you to see the data. Please see the data very well. So I save this with what students underscore rec.csv file. I prepare this data, and these are the data here. You can see under the match column we have the empty cell, empty cell, empty cell, empty cell. So you can see this data has empty cell. Are you getting me? It has empty cell under the column. It has empty cell. So now, how can we handle this empty cell is the main issue, or the main thing that we are here. So I think having done that, let's roll. Let's get started. First of all, I will head on to my pandas folder where I put my pandas file. So over here, I will open my cmd. So here I'm going to right click and click on open with code. So my VS Code is open. Good, this is my VS Code. Now, as this is my VS Code, I want to create a new file to start working with my pandas. You can see this data here. I want to start working on this data using the pandas data cleaning method. Using the pandas data cleaning method. So I'll come here and I'll go to file. I'll click on new text file. It has opened a new file for me. So I will come here, go to file, and I will click on what? Save. So I will save it as data cleaning, data underscore cleaning.py. Are we there? So I'll click on save. So I'm going to teach you this tutorial step by step. Are we there? I will teach you step by step. Okay, so let's roll it. First of all, I'm going to import pandas. Import pandas as pd. So now I want to import the pandas. Import pandas as pd. Yes. So now let's go. Secondly, we need to read out our file. Read the CSV file. Good. Now how can we do that? df assign pd dot read underscore csv open brackets. So the name of our pandas file is located in the same folder where I open my pandas tutorial. Look at the pandas file here. It is located here. Look at it here. Student rec. This is it. I hope you all can see it. Student rec. it is the same place with my pandas folder. So I'm going to put students underscore rec dot csv file. Then because of this column, because of this role here, I don't want this Cjsoft Python Academy students exam record to show. Because of this, I am going to put comma skip rows assign 1. So it will remove that for me. Now come here, print the result on the console or command on the command line. So let's go here. I'm going to say print, then df. Let's see it over here on my command line. I'll print it so that you will see Python data underscore cleaning dot py. Please, this data underscore cleaning dot py is from here. Are we there? Hit my enter key. So it will print it out. All right, so everything is printed out. I have my Python simplified here. Is it Shamaria Tech with Team? I like those two people. Honestly, they are very good. They inspire me a lot. So now let's go here, and let's say I want to print this. I want to handle this empty cell. You can see here, this not a number is an empty cell, empty cell. So this empty cell is located where? Under math, under chemistry, biology, and this. So now you can see that without this empty cell here, we cannot get the total marks. You see, if we don't fill this particular value here, we can't get the total marks, and we can't get the average, and we can't get the status accurately. So let's just start tackling this particular not a number. Okay, all right. So having on this, now how can we start tackling this particular not a number here? We need to delete the entire row or the entire column. That is the only way we can do that. We need to delete the entire row or the entire columns. Are we there? Good. Now to me, I prefer deleting the rows instead of the columns. Yeah. So before we start that, let us get the total of this. Let us get the total, the average, then the status. Are we there? Good. So here, how can we get the total? I'm gonna select it, df, open this, total. Yeah, total assign df bracket, come here, the total of maths, the total of physics, the total of chemistry, biology, economics, chemistry, biology, economics, math, physics, chemistry, biology, economics, math, physics, chemistry, biology, economics. So all of them, I'm gonna sum them. That is the total sum. I will call the sum over here. Please, I think I need to increase a little. No, it's okay like this. I will call this sum. Now where am I summing from? Axis must be 1. I'm summing from the columns. Axis must be 1. So now when I print this back, wow, wow, you see that the total here is here. You can see it now. All the total is back. So now we want to get the average. So this is it. This is not a number here. You can see empty space. So here will be 20 plus 78 will give us 98, plus 35 will give us 133. Yeah, so that is it. Now let's get the average. So I'm gonna here I'm getting the total. Here calculating the total marks. That is this. So I want to calculate the average. We all know that the average is the mean, right? So let's come here, calculating the marks, and let's go here, calculating the average mark. Average mark, which is the mean, right? So here I'm gonna put the average, and then average of all these, average of the total. That is what you are going to get. Average of the total. Yeah, so we can equally come here, that mean. So I think so. Yeah, mean ASICs as well. Okay, let's just get the total. df underscore total dot mean. Yeah, mean ASICs assign 1. So let's go. This is it here. So let's get the mean. Sorry. I am calculating from a single column. Yeah, I'm calculating from a single column. So let me calculate from the entire column. Yeah, let me calculate from the entire column. Control C. You can see the error here. No, the error here, value error, no ASICs name 1 for object series. So it is seeing this total as series, please. Sorry guys, let me calculate from here. Try to print it normally for us. Oh no ASICs name 1 object for series. Okay, let us say I will remove this mean. I'll remove it. So let's go. Good. So this average you see here is incorrect. The average you are seeing here, they are all incorrect. They are not correct at all. That is it. They are not correct at all. I mean at all. They are not correct. So let us remove these. Let's remove these and let's take it back again. I just want to show you all the meaning of all this. We are working good. Now we should put the ASICs now. ASIC should be 1. Good. So this is the correct average. This is the correct average, man. So this average 22 point blah 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 blah. You see, this is the correct average. Are you getting me? So this is the correct average of this whole of the whole scores or mark for server. I think so. Yeah, this is the correct mean. So now having on this, so let's go to the status and check to work on the status. Having on this now, let's work on the status. So before working on the status, I need to create a function. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, learning data analysis, please go to my playlist under pandas data, Python pandas data, and watch the beginning of this video so you understand what I am doing over here. It's not magic, it's just process. So let's go. Getting the status. Okay, before getting the status, I need to create a function, because I'm going to use the pandas apply method. The function get status, then maybe I can come here, put mark or average. Yes, now let us do it this way. If the average is equal to a particular value, maybe if the average is equal to 60, then the person status should be poor pass. If it is greater than 60, then the person should be excellent. If it is less than 60, then the person should be failed. Let's go. If average is equal to 60 or 70, return poor pass, if average is less than 70, return failed. If average is greater than 70, return excellent. Else return null. So I want to apply this on the average table, I mean the status table. So I'm gonna say df brackets, select my status, then assign df. Now where am I applying this function? I want to apply this function on what? The average. That is why I'm applying this function. I want to apply it on the average, so it will calculate this thing automatically for us. Are we there? So I'm gonna put my average dot apply get underscore status. Are we there? Good. So let's come down and let's run this. Yo, a lot of people failed here, man. A lot. I mean, a lot of people failed. A lot of people failed. A lot failed, man. A lot failed. Damn it. Damn it. Failed, failed, failed. Excellent. Wow. Shalmaria got excellent. I mean, Python simplified got excellent. Tech within got excellent. Wow. I love that. So now I think you see the way to do that, right? Now let us head into the data cleaning using the pandas method. Now we want to work on this math, blah 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 blah, physics, chemistry. We want to work on them. Are you getting me? We want to work on this math. We want to remove these empty rows, empty rows, empty rows. I mean empty cell, empty cell, empty cell. We want to remove all of them. Are we there? So got it? Let's roll. So I'm gonna say now I'm going to teach you how to analyze this data in two ways. Number one, remove empty rows. Number two, replace empty rows. These are the two things I'm gonna teach you under this data cleaning. Remove empty rows, replace empty rows. Are we there? Good. So let's go. How can we remove empty rows? We can remove empty rows by doing df dot drop. We use the drop now. We use the drop now to remove. Drop now means and remove empty rows. Are we there? So drop now subset then the subset. So we want to tackle maths, physics, chemistry. Physics has no empty, so it's only math, chemistry, biology, economics. These are the empty ones we have. Are we there? So let's go. Maths, comma, chemistry, yeah, comma, biology, and economics and economics. Yes. So we want to drop this out. We want to drop all this out from here. So let's apply the code. Oh wow. Keyword economics. There's an error here. It's economics. Okay. Economics. Sorry. Economics. It's an keyword error. Instead of economics, I put economics. So this is the result. This is the result. You can see the not a number are still here. The columns are still here. So how can we delete the whole of these columns perfectly? So we can see the drop now function we apply. There's one parameter missing, which is a simple parameter that says that are we going to edit the original table, or we are going to create our own table. To me, I think I will edit the original table as well, so that we can see the effect of what is going on. How can we do that? We can say in place assign true. Yes, in place assign true. Now when you put in place assign true, it simply means edit the original table, don't create new table. Good. So let's go head on to our this and run this code again. Wonderful. You can see all the rows that are empty is gone. They are all gone. So you can see from here the row 7 in mathematics column is no more there. Row 7 is no more there. It's row 8, both in physics. So this is how to reduce or remove empty cells or empty columns. Are you getting me? This is how to do that. Whenever you are working with large data sets, this is how to remove empty cells, to remove rows that contains empty cells. Whenever you are working with large data sets, this is how to do that. Remove rows that contains what? Empty cells. This is how to do that. Are you there? So, having done this, I want to show you how to fill. Yes, how to fill. How to fill all the empty cells. Now let's go here. But this filling we have to be careful because here under average, the under average over here, the filling can affect it. So you have to be careful. But at first, I want to show you how to fill all the empty cells. So let's come over here and put df.fillna. Good. So I'm gonna put maybe 45 and in place assign true. Now let's go. Wow, anywhere you see empty space like this number 7 here, it's paired with 45. This chemistry here 45, this one 45. You see it now. You see that it fills it. And when you try to observe you see that it's all filled with this. You see, they're all filled with this. You see 45 here, 45 here, 45 here. This had to fill it. You understand? So anywhere that there is an empty cell, it will fill it with 45 for you. Are you getting me? So this is it. So another one we need to learn again is, apart from this, is how to fill with the previous, with the backward value or forward value. That is what we want to learn. How to fill with the backward value or forward value. So now let us come over here and say df dot bfill. Bfill means backward value. df dot bfill. Yes, let us fill it. df dot bfill. Are you there? It means backward value. So in place true. In place true. Yeah, in place true. Let's come over here. So this is it. This is the result. Now this thing simply means fill from the back any empty space we have, then the backward, the down value will be used to replace it. That is what this thing means here. You can see down here under this 8 we have 39, and this number 7 we don't have anything. So when we call the bfill, under the 8 here we have 39 and number 7 becomes what? 39. Anyone you want you can use. Are you getting me? And then thirdly again, now we want to learn how to forward fill. How to forward fill. Yes, how to forward fill. You're gonna say df dot ffill. df dot ffill. Good. In place true. In place, then true. In place true. Are we there? So now let us go. Good. So it will fill from the upper value. It will fill, the upper value will be used to replace the cell. So when you come here, you can see the upper value here is called 12, and the number 7 is called not a number. This number 6 is 12. Now let's go to our final table. Now let's see if it is like that. Number 6 is what? 12. Number 6 is what? 12. Number 6 is what? 12. Number 7 is what? 12 as well. So this is how to fill. It's either any of the method you want you can use. You can use the bfill, ffill, dropfill, fillna. Yes, yeah, you can use this. This is how to fill the table. Are you getting me? This is how to fill the table. Good. So having known how to handle this empty data cell, having known how to handle this dirty data cell, our next video we are going to learn how to handle wrong data formats. In our next video we are going to learn that how to handle wrong data format on our next video. That is what is going to come out. Now we learned how to handle empty cells and columns. Empty cells and columns. Our next video we are going to learn how to handle wrong data and wrong data format, and how to handle duplicates on the table. So at this particular point, please, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please, I really beg you to subscribe and hit the all notification button. Subscribe and hit the all notification button, please. And again, if you have any comment section, if you have any question, come to my comment section and ask me the question. This file here, I'm gonna drop it down. I'm gonna drop this file down on my YouTube comment section, so you can download it, you can copy it. But if you have any other question, please let me know. Please let me know on my comment section. My name is Cjsoft. My channel is Cjsoft Python Academy. I am here to teach you Python programming, ranging from basic to advanced topic. So thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button. So for now, see you in my next video. Bye bye.